Sincerely thank the respected Korean customers for visiting EagerLED Company. During this wonderful visit, we took you to have an in-depth understanding of the LED technology and products of EagerLED Company. First, we walked into the LED screen exhibition hall to showcase our latest LED technology and innovative products. The specially introduced indoor LED screen has aroused strong interest from customers, and its high-definition, bright colors and excellent display effects have won unanimous praise. We are committed to providing customers with an excellent visual experience, and your recognition is the best reward for our unremitting efforts. Next, we went to the LED aging workshop to demonstrate the strict quality control during the production process. We have been adhering to the unremitting pursuit of quality to ensure that every LED lamp bead can perform at its best.